Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Amplifier Ambient sound shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings and then click on accessibility button. Now here click on select actions and then scroll down, and here you will see a amplify ambient sound option. So to enable the ambient sound shortcut, tap on this option to select it, and after selecting, the amplify ambient sound shortcut will be enabled. And if you want to disable this shortcut, then tap on amplify ambient sound option again to deselect it, and after deselecting, the shortcut will be disabled. So that's how you can enable or disable amplifier ambient sound shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.